Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Today we got this Breville Barista Express, and today we're going to do a couple of tests. Pretty much what we did is we replaced the top burr of the grinder. See, this is the older one, and it was just going out just from normal wear and tear. So we replaced the whole top one, and it should be working. We're on the 5th grind setting, and we're going to use our test coffee. And that's the grind for you.
Actually, take the electrical waves. It's waves.
Let's ask Sam now.
And we're going to do a double shot.
So, first thing is garbage, or do you want to?
As you can see, espresso range jumps all the way up. It means good pressure inside there.
So here's the wheel.
And it should be right below the top of the cup.
I remember I bought the whole new thing. So I think I have this that I can try
Perfect.
from mine. If it's back there, and if it works, then we'll use
There
it.
is that shot
If
for
not,
you. Very good shot.
That piece is.
Then we're going to test hot water.
Something bucks.
See, a very steady shot. And we're going to test steam.
Is there a new version and an old version?
And shoot water first.
Not of the display, but of the buttons. Well, that's good. Right? So if you bought the whole
And now it's
thing,
going to make a stream.
so this whole thing, new, is,
And there's that for you. Everything working? Great. Thank you for the repair. If you like this video, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.